Dear students, in this session, let us discuss measurements of development. One of the measurements of development, that is physical quality of life index. The physical quality of life index was the most serious challenges to GNP per capita as the index of development. It was invented by M.D. Morris in 1979. He constructed a composite physical quality of life index relating to 23 developing countries for a comparative study. He combined three components indicators of infant mortality, life expectancy at age 1, and basic literacy at age 15 to measure performance in meeting the most basic needs of the people. The Physical Quality of Life Index is an attempt to measure the quality of life or well being of a country. The value is the average of three statistics: basic literacy rate, infant mortality, and life expectancy at age 1, all equally weighted on a 0 to 100 scale. This index represents a wide range of indicators such as health, education, drinking water, nutrition, and sanitation. The Physical Quality of Life Index shows improvement in the quality of life when people enjoy the fruits of economic progress with increase in life expectancy, fall in infant mortality rate, and rise in basic literacy rate. Each indicator of the three components is placed on a scale of 0 to 100, where 0 represents an absolute defined worst performance and 100 represents an absolutely defined best performance. The Physical Quality of Life Index is calculated by averaging the three indicators, giving equal weight and each, and the index is also scaled from 0 to 100. If the indicators of life expectancy and basic literacy rate are positive, the best performance shows as the maximum and the worst as the minimum. Infant mortality rate being a negative indicator, for this the best indicator is shown as the minimum and the worst as the maximum. Limitations. Morris admits that Physical Quality of Life Index is a limited measure of basic needs. It supplements but does not supplant the GNP. It files to dislodge GNP from its lofty perch. It does not measure total welfare. It does not explain the changing structure of economic and social organization. It therefore does not measure economic development. Despite these limitations, the Physical Quality of Life Index can be used to identify particular regions of underdevelopment and groups of society suffering from neglected and failure of social policy. It points towards that indicator where immediate action is required. Thank you.